Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the dry dock in Jamaica by the Kingston Harbour, and it is operational. The report had said it would be operational in November, but then we heard it would be operational next year. But there you can see it has lifted a ship out of the water, and a subscriber had been tracking the arrival of this ship. This ship came into Jamaica just to use the dry dock facility. I think it's a Mexican ship. And there you can see it's been lifted out of the water. We had actually wanted to come out here and view the ship being lifted out of the water, but the ship arrived when the weather system was affecting Jamaica. But we'll definitely contact the German shipyard and find out when they're going to be lifting a ship out of the water again. But as you can see, the dry dock is operational. And we don't have the drone with us today. We were actually just driving by and saw the ship. But we'll come back over the weekend and give you guys a drone tour of the dry dock. Now, it came as Dock 5, but it's supposed to be renamed Jam Dock 1 when it becomes operational. So I assume it's Jam Dock 1 now because it is operational. It still has Dock 5 on the side. I'm sure that will change very soon. So this dry dock now came from Germany. It's a joint venture between the German shipyard, which is this facility over here, and two foreign companies. So what it does is, as you can see, it can lift ships up to 20,000 tons out of the water, and you do repairs on them or maintenance. Now, by maritime law, every ship has to be maintained or inspected after a certain amount of years. So this is a major industry for Jamaica now, because the ships can now use the facilities in Jamaica rather than going elsewhere. I'm not sure if they have any other facilities like this in the Caribbean, but Jamaica, as you know, is strategically located by the Panama Canal. So ships coming through, it's a major shipping lane. 180,000 ships a year pass through the shipping lane that Jamaica is a part of. 180,000 ships. And 3,000 ships actually dock. So with 180,000 ships passing through the shipping lanes by Jamaica, can you imagine how many will stop to get maintained? And as we said earlier, by maritime law, you have to inspect the ships after a certain amount of years. So this dry dock has literally opened up a new industry for Jamaica. This is what we call a mega development for Jamaica. And there you can see the ship is being maintained. So we're going to see if we can there you can see work being done on it. But this is something we'll definitely keep you guys updated on, and it would be so nice to fly the drone around the ship so that we can see what the ship looks like when it's out of water. Let's go this way. Alright guys, so as you can see, the dry dock is operational. That means it's now Jam Dock 1, and we will keep you guys updated on this project. Not sure what's going on over there, but there you can see now this entire area is owned by the German shipyard, and as you can see they are expanding, and this is the first of many dry docks that they plan to have out here. And this facility is actually new. They just put up this fence recently, like within the last 2 weeks.